Alright, it's time to get the old rototiller out of the barn and into the garage. So we finally got it in the garage after sitting over a decade. As you can see, it's a little dusty, needs a good cleaning. However, overall it's in great shape. So the next part is I'm going to check the fuel, check the oil, check all the fluids. The tires seem to be a little bit low on air, but I was able to move it without any issues. And I'm going to drain the float bowl on the carburetor. So that will be the next video on checking all those. As you can see, there's the motorcycle project in the back that I have a couple of videos on, and I'm going to be getting that going. And our Mercedes right there, I have a little video of that also. Anyways guys, stay tuned for an updated video, probably in the next day or two, on a little more progress on the Honda Rototiller. Thanks for watching.